Hello, and welcome back. We did it. We hit 500 subscribers. Therefore, the channel overhaul is unlocked. And how, would you ask? Well, this is the camera that I've been shooting all my videos with. And this is the phone that has aided my camera in all the videos that I used it in. The Canon 77D is a fantastic camera for the price. The OnePlus 7 Pro, however, is not really all that when it comes to photography or filming. The colors are all over the place. Even in RAW format, it has this strange violet whatever. It has served its purpose via the slow motion partitions and some macro. So, since my interest lies in photography in general anyway, I decided to upgrade my camera. This is the Canon R5 and is an absolute myth of a legend. Through a lot of saving, I decided that this was to be my ultimate workhorse from now on. But all of this isn't just about the camera. I also had to get some new glass, and then I realized that I couldn't use that glass with the camera because I'd misread the format of the glass, so I had to get one of these adapter thingamabobs so I could use the glass and my old glass with the new... You get the picture. Since you cannot unbox a new camera with the new camera, I still had to use my trusty 77D and also use it to take some pictures. Not bad at all. However, as I said, this isn't just about the camera. I've actually gone through some of my old videos, including the quite old ones, and I realized something that has been annoying me, and that is consistency. The ones I made when I lived in a small secondhand apartment were quite interesting because I could get the results I wanted every time using one particular light source. They are quite dramatic, and I have to say that the Vostok Komandirski 65 or the Seagull D304 videos are pieces of work that I'm very proud of, as well as the Tissel, of course, since that is my most watched and most beloved video. Still love you, Tissel, even though your papers make no sense whatsoever. Anyway, in order to get some consistency, I've had to do a lot of testing, and as usual, when you're doing a lot of testing, you're also doing a lot of failing. But I think I found a formula that could be quite interesting. Trust me on this, I don't care if I have 1 subscriber or 10,000. My mission is to make each video as if it were broadcast to 10 million people. You folks have been quite loyal, and some of you have followed me since the very beginning, so I feel it's only fair to try to show you all as much respect as I possibly can by churning out the best possible content that I can. So from this point on, starting with the next video, the second part of this 500 subscriber special series, I hope that you will enjoy and appreciate my efforts. My goal is to make the best looking watch videos on YouTube. And I know that some of you feel, well, these videos don't really show how the watch looks in real life because it's all artistic and cinematic, but then again, that's not really what this channel is about. This channel I created for a couple of reasons. The first reason is that I know what it's like to pay money for something and then be disappointed by it. And so part of my mission is to spend money on watches so you might not have to, and try to be as honest as I possibly can. The second reason I started this channel was just to show how fun watches can be. Watches are a sense of style. They're talismans. This channel is more about the feeling of a watch. How it makes you feel when you look at it, when you buy it, or when you wear it. It's just about fun. I have also set up a Patreon due to the fact that the budget has been quite expensive and my accountant quit in protest. You can pledge $1, $2, or $5 a month if you wish, and the reason why is because I don't want people to give too much. There are no rewards for this because I don't want to exclude anyone. I just want to see how many of my viewers out there feel that it's worth to pay maybe $2 a month for my 2 cents. However, I do have an idea with the Patreon that I want to try. Each month I'll try to do a watch of the month, where the proceeds of the previous month minus 30% in taxes, because, well, my country basically fetishizes taxation, will go into one watch, if there is enough money to buy one. I think it could be an interesting experiment, to see what we can get each month. My ultimate goal, however, is to buy one expensive watch. I think the channel needs it to boost its ratings and views. Maybe I'll be able to partly fund it through Patreon, maybe not. I don't mind. I'm just thrilled that we have all gotten this far. Right. I've rambled on enough. Next week, there will be a watch, shot with the new ultimate and all-powerful camera. And I can tell you right now which one it will be. The worst watch that I currently have in my collection. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting this tiny, microscopic channel for almost a year and a half. I hope you will all stick around, truly, because it's been such a pleasure so far. I'm still Mr. Jacobson, and you have my deepest gratitude. Take care. See you next time, huh?